What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Sun's bright. Freaking awesome news. We bought the entire building. Technically, this is one giant building, but they, blocked it off, and that's a separate business, and then it was us. Well, we bought it all. So, now, there is a gym here. Love the guy. He's awesome. He's fantastic. So if you guys, 5-star fitness. But once he moves out, this entire building will be American 4WD. So we will have, all this will be completely retail space, and all of our desks and offices and stuff like that. And of course, we're going to tear down that giant wall and make another bay. So I know, crazy. Anyways, haven't done a shop update in a while, so I wanted to go ahead and knock that out. Since we're outside, let's start outside. We got the Commanche here, looking sweet. We are getting ready to take everybody out to Iron Gap Road this weekend. So we are prepping the Commanche, making sure everything is good and tight, running like a champ. AC, heat, radio, lockers, everything's working. Everything's doing its thing. So we are doing a bolt check on fluids, and good to go. Check engine light, radio issues, cigarette lighter, random misfire. Lots of fun stuff going on in here. Intermittent fuel pump. Remanufactured engine number 3. Bronco's back. We're going to be doing a complete teardown of the engine. We're going to be doing some really awesome stuff to this. Cam, roller rockers, rods, heads, paint, starter, gaskets, you name it. Complete teardown of the engine. We're going to be doing that. Let's see what else we got going on here. We've got a ZJ in the house that we're almost done with. We've been building it for about 2 months or so. Had to get all the parts and get situated, but it's almost done, and it's nasty. So this is David's ZJ, and he came in and wanted a rock crawler. So we said okay. So we started off with JK Rubicon axles. We got a 7-inch Iron Rock off-road long arm lift, custom steering from BK Fab. We've got JKS quick disconnects, PSC hydraulic assist, 5 13 gears, 37s with the Comanche's old KMC beadlocks, MVF fenders, triangulated rear, all that fun stuff. SYE for the 242, custom drive shafts, custom brake lines. Just real nasty. Just real nasty vehicle. So I'm sure that once we're done here in just a minute, all we got to do is put the switch pod in. We just got to mount it. It's already wired. And throw the headlights, front bumper back on. She will be done. So that turned out absolutely nasty. Lord. Drop my microphone again, guys. Sorry. Anywho, see what else we got. We got a bunch of the ZJ stuff right here. It's a mess. We've got another ZJ in the house. The whole front end decided to leave the chat, so the ring and pinion on the front axle gone. So you can see some teeth missing there, and the pinion is not much better. It's outside, where out back. So it decided to demo itself, and he was on his way to I think a softball tournament or something. But anyways, yeah, there it is. can see the pinion in there and the metal shavings. Yeah, it died. Oh, don't hit my microphone again. Stop that. Okay, now we're good. But luckily, since we had the axles left over from this ZJ, we just happened to have a new housing ready to go because the mount on the passenger side mount got completely bent over. This got bent. The control arm, when the front axle locked up, the whole front axle twisted forward and bent everything. So we just swapped out to this new housing. We're going to put some 373 gears in there and be done with it. Cool. So weirdly enough, that worked out. Oh, we've got Nash's Chevy in the house. We threw an engine at this because this was sitting in some dude's field for, well, I don't know, 10 years. And the engine was completely tore apart. There was not much there. So we put a new engine inside of it, and we hooked everything back up, all new stuff that needed to be new. But we found all the bolts, we found all the pieces and components. Some of it was inside of it, some of it was not. It was a mess. So right now also, he took it over to a detail shop and demoed the interior because it had cobwebs, it had leaves, mold, anything and everything you can think of in here. It was a biohazard. So it was gross, but we got that running. Runs great, no issues, and put a new all new brakes all the way around. But the old master cylinder and the old brake booster were just not having a fun day, and they were just old and corroded. So threw some new ones at that. So now we got the brakes sorted. But anywho, that's about it, is what we got in here. But yeah, we are rock and rolling, having a good time, and just getting stuff knocked out. I'm trying to think of anything else we got. Yeah, I mean, that's about it right now. We're knocking it out faster than it's coming in, which is kind of different because for the last couple of weeks it's been pretty much impossible to get to keep up. So anyways, we are getting it all sorted here. But guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So yeah, so big news. It's all ours now. A lot going on. Happy though. Excited, expanding. Thank you guys so much. Again, every time that we go through something like this, major change, expand, anything like that, anything else like that, it humbles us, and it lets us know that you trust us with your vehicles, and it lets us know that we're doing something good, that the way we do business is good. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for making this dream a reality. Oh, we also took some of the wall out. So if you look back on a lot of the old shop videos, these two shelves and this wall came out to almost, well, where that paint started, a little bit past it, where his box is. These two walls came all the way out, and we're expanding, and we need more space, we need more room for stuff. So pretty much me and the help, with a couple of about an hour and 3 hammers of swinging, we demoed that entire wall, but to get more space in the shop and everything else. But I would say once we get this retail space all situated and get all this sorted, then pretty much both of those walls from there going all the way there, we'll probably just demo it all. But I thought, I don't know. It's something new that's been happening, or what we've been doing. But guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you want to come down with us at Iron Gap Road this weekend, I would love to have you. make sure it is highly recommended. I would say 33s and a winch and at least a 2-inch lift. I would say that would probably be considered minimum. Recommended would probably be 35s, a winch, 2.5-inch lift or more. But guys, thank you so much. We'll see you.